Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix Shopify opening some page. This can be caused by three reasons. I'm about to show you guys all the solutions to fix this problem. Okay, let's start with the first one, but before we start I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. Now let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, you want to go to your Shopify dashboard as you can see here. And then what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on plan. Now after, guys, you click on plan, make sure you pick a plan here, because if you don't pick a plan, Shopify will not let you launch your Shopify store, and it's not going to be visible to your customers, or they will have to enter the password in order to access your Shopify store if you don't pick a plan. Okay, because that's how Shopify works. You will have to select a plan, so you don't need you don't use the free version of Shopify, the free trial, 3 days trial which they give you whenever you open a new store. Now you just need to pick a plan here. If you already did that, then what you guys need to do next is, let's go with the second solution, is you want to click here on online store, and then you want to click on preferences. Okay, and as you can see here, you can see your online store is a password protected. Now if it says that in the top, then we need to scroll down. Okay, even if you don't see that bar in the top, just scroll down, and if you can see here something that says restrict access to visitors with passwords, you want to toggle this off. Okay, you want to uncheck this. This is not going to be you will not be able to uncheck this if you don't select a plan. Okay, if you don't pick up a Shopify plan so that you can pay $1 for the first month, this one is going to be buried if you don't pick a plan. Okay, now you want to uncheck this, like I said, and remove this password, and you want to click on save in the top. Okay, so see now if the problem is resolved or not. Now if you still have this problem, then what you guys need to do, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and see if you have downloaded here the Pagefly, or an app that helps you create a coming soon page, especially if you are fixing something on your Shopify store. A lot of people download Pagefly to display coming soon page on their Shopify store. Okay, and uninstall it. Okay, just click on three little dots, uninstall it, and see now if the problem is there or not. Now if you still have this problem, then go to the comments below and tell me exactly this problem. I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. If this one helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.